How to change YouTube password on LG TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube password when you're signed in on your LG Smart TV. Important notice. You can't change your YouTube password directly from the LG TV app. Instead, you need to change it through your Google account on a phone or computer. Step 1. On your phone or computer. Open a browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Google account linked to your YouTube on LG TV. Click Security from the left menu. Under Signing in to Google, select Password. Enter your current password, then type your new password twice. Click Change Password. Step 2. Sign out of YouTube on LG TV. On your LG TV, open the YouTube app. Go to the menu on the left side. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Confirm to sign out. Step 3. Sign back in with your new password. Open the YouTube app again. Select Sign In and enter your updated Google account password. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more LG TV and YouTube tips.